Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram following glitch. So the answer is simple. Go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps, and here as you see, search on Instagram, and then go to the storage, and here you find this clear cache. Click on it and see if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to restart the phone. If it didn't work again, you can try to maybe clear data, but be careful. Be careful because you will lose all your data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.